Hello, welcome to David Gray Solicitors. I'm Mehdi Hassan, a solicitor in our immigration team. The firm was set up by David Gray, an immigration lawyer, in 1979. We've come a long way in the last 45 years and established ourselves as a leading law firm in the Northeast and nationally known immigration practice. We have a well-knitted team of brilliant immigration lawyers who can assist clients in both personal and business immigration. We can advise you in person, via video calls and Teams, by email or telephone. This means that we can help you with your UK immigration wherever you are in a way that suits you best. The team is led by well-respected immigration lawyer Brian West. Members of the team speak a range of languages which enable us to communicate with clients who do not have English as first language. We offer fixed fees for much of our immigration work, so our clients can have peace of mind that their work will be handled by an expert at a cost which is reasonable and certain. Where we undertake work on an hourly rates basis, we provide an estimate at the outset so that there is a clear understanding of the likely overall cost. We're going to discuss the frequently asked questions of some of the popular applications. Please note that the law is subject to change and the information given is correct at the time of making these videos. A person who is a British citizen settled in the UK or has leave as a refugee or humanitarian protection can sponsor their partner. This will depend on their immigration status and whether it allows them to switch to a partner visa in country. For example, visitors are not allowed to switch to a different category. The applicant must not fall for refusal under the suitability requirements and meet the eligibility requirements. There are various reasons that relate to the character and conduct of the applicant, such as criminal conviction, previous breaches of the UK's immigration laws, unpaid NHS fees, etc. An applicant must meet English language, relationship, financial and accommodation requirements. Applicants aged between 18 and 65 need to pass an approved English language test at CEFR level A1 unless they are from a majority English-speaking country, have a degree taught in English, or can be exempted due to a medical condition. The applicant and their sponsor must be in a genuine and subsisting relationship and intend to live together permanently in the UK. Both must be over 18 at the date of application. If the application is as a spouse, the marriage must be valid. If the application is as a fiancé, they must show that they intend to get married in the UK. If the application is as an unmarried partner, they must demonstrate that the relationship has subsisted for at least 2 years. Applicants must meet the minimum income threshold by showing at least 29,000 gross annual income. This can be met from various sources, including employment, self-employment, cash savings and non-employment income. There are exemptions if the sponsor is in receipt of a specified benefit, such as personal independence payments. Instead, they need to show that they can maintain their partner without claiming additional public funds. The financial evidence needed to prove income is specified in the immigration rules, which means it must be provided with an application. If it is not at all provided, then the application can be refused. Applicants need to show that there is accommodation that is available and suitable for them and their sponsor to live in. This can be either owned or rented. They need the owner's consent for them to live there. It is possible for this to be a shared house or room in a family home, provided the couple will have exclusive possession of at least one room and the house is not overcrowded. The reasons can be quite varied given the different requirements that need to be met. However, in our experience, we find that this is usually because the required documents have not been provided to show that the applicant meets the requirements. Example, not providing bank statements showing income deposited. Applicants must ensure all the documents are genuine and any documents not in English are translated. Any false declaration in the application form or fraudulent documents will not only lead to a refusal of the present application but can also impact future applications.